So I'm a freelance photographer and videographer making promotional videos, and I'm going to show you the exact steps on how I actually make money using this thing. Now look, I never always used to make money using my camera. I was 17 years old, sitting on a lifeguarding chair for 40 hours a week, making £10 an hour. So that's £400 a week. And I used to sit there just watching people swim, wasting my life away, thinking there must be an easier way to make 400, 500, 600 pounds a week by not watching people blow bubbles in the water. But the thing that held me back a little bit was taking that leap from a secure job to creating my own business and having no monthly revenue whatsoever. So at 18 years old, I bought my first ever camera. In fact, my mum bought it for my birthday, which is a plus side because my initial investment was nothing. And I always remember I sat in my bedroom with a camera like this, and I thought, how the am I going to get clients? And everybody needs clients to be successful or to start running their business and in general just make money. What I started to do is reach out to people and do free videos. I would just offer my services for free, because at the end of the day, if you're starting your photography career or videography career, you've got no portfolio to show new clients. So why are they going to choose someone who's just started? It's not really gonna happen, is it? So I started offering my work for free, which means I had a portfolio, which means I was able to advertise my portfolio for future projects. On top of that, I done my first 5 weddings for free, whole days, weeks of editing for free, just so I can have a wedding portfolio to advertise to get more weddings the year after. And that was just simply trying to get my foot in the door. There's a lot of content creators who just simply wouldn't do free videos because they want to try and make as much money as they can. And the steps I took led me to meet some unbelievable people. So fast forward 4 years of just hustling, trying to build up my portfolio, trying to meet as many people as possible. I've now shot for Sky, Deliveroo, Primark, the Jimmy Choo. The list goes on, and my portfolio is the best I could ever want it to be. And the other thing that people don't realize is I met someone called Kem Setene a few years ago, and I offered him a free video when he was actually at a nightclub, and he called me a week later and used my services. Forward on a few years, he's got me filming behind the scenes for his Primark shoots. He's got me filming for John Terry. He's got me filming for Wow Hydrate with Harry Maguire. So it's steps and risks you have to take to be successful when you're a videographer and photographer. Just don't put the money up front first, because you just won't get anywhere. Now, it became a time where I started to not enjoy doing one-off shoots, just turning up, filming, editing, and never speaking to that client again. So I thought to myself, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a social media marketing agency where I put my clients on retainers instead of one-off video fees in order to build an agency. So what I ended up doing is building the agency, signing my clients up to retainers. For example, I've got about 5 or 6 restaurants at the moment where I go and do their photos, I go and do their videos, and I run their Instagram and Facebook for them every single month. And funny enough, one of those clients is Kem Setene, and he's been with me for a good couple of years now, and we're actually quite close friends. So if I wouldn't have went up to him in that nightclub and offered him my free video, I would have never have met him. And to be honest, I probably wouldn't have had my marketing agency to this day. So if you're someone out there making £1,500, £1,600 a month working a similar job to I was, working a lifeguarding job, then all you need is 3 or 4 clients to leave your 9-to-5 job. It's reality that it's actually that simple, based on the fact that you're good at what you do and you can build a relationship with your personality and stuff like that. But it's really that simple. If you're looking to leave your 9-to-5 job, pick up a camera and offer a service to a business that enjoys and likes your work. So I shoot 10 to 15 weddings a year, which are all very well paid now, because at the beginning of my career, like I said, I done videos for free. I done 5 wedding videos for free, so I can learn myself, have a portfolio, and use that portfolio to advertise to the next year weddings and the next year. And it honestly was a domino effect for me. So hopefully this video helped in one way or another. Hopefully it inspired you to pick up a camera and start filming. Or if you're a beginner, you can just learn how to do it first. Offer your videos for free. Meet as many people as possible, because at the end of the day, It's a job that I love doing. I enjoy doing it. I don't have to wake up at a certain time unless I've got a deadline of editing videos to do. And overall, it's just a fantastic company, and I wouldn't have changed anything if I had to do it again.